come on. Bit of left again. Oh, in fact, as you are, as you are. Ah, wait, Jacko, get her fired up, lad.
It's rare, but just occasionally, Vauxhall Victors need some coaxing. A job for the apprentice.
She's not having it, Chazza. See if there's any easy start in truck.
I can feel the horns on its way already. Cheers, mate. Hold it.
We might just have to push it, bud.
All right, apprentice jobs again.
There we go.
Yeah, go on. That's it. As you are. Lovely.
Did he pass his first assignment then?
Charlie? Oh, he passed it many moons ago. He's got hang of it as Charlie.
What have I done?
Now.
All right, that's all right then.
They do say that when someone from near Luton has a load of bikes to collect, they will always have a spin around the block in a Victor FB first.
That takes me back. Yeah, I used to love these old cars. They were just so lovely to drive. Lovely gearbox. Little bit pudding sticky compared to a Ford, but they're fine, you know, they're good. I like the column change myself. Very relaxing is the old column change. This is what we wanted, you know, when we were lads. A dashboard full of gauges, you know. If you're lucky enough to have a car with like a dashboard, like a Boeing 747, you've cracked it like. The standard FB was a really nice car to drive and would cruise quite comfortably at 65, 70 mile an hour, which for a car in these days, you know, early 60s, was going a bit, you know? But this is what we wanted, a little bit of imitation wood and some dials. I mean, a rev counter was an absolute luxury. The bee's knees. Not that you hardly ever looked at it or bothered with it, but it was there. It's probably worth somewhere 3.5 to 4.5, something like that. So it's not an expensive way into the classic movement, really, is it? If you think about it, it's not a great deal of money. Yeah, nice little car. Lots of fun.
They're nice.
Yeah, they are.
Nearly D-Day. 9:48. All kicks off at 10 o'clock.
A little last-minute adjustment to his microphone.
Hang on.
And Derek's ready to take to the stage.
5-minute call. Yeah, showtime. Here we go. Yeah, hold on to your helmet. We're away. $145, 62 Vauxhall FB VX490. Cheers. Beautiful car. In my opinion, Keith, the best post-war Vauxhall ever built. Super car. Drive beautiful. Absolutely a pleasure to drive. Where are we then? Let's make a start. 4 grand, we got 4. 4.2, 4.4, 4.6, 4,600. 4.6, 4.8, 4,800. The VX490, top of the shop. 4,800 is the 9. 4,800. You're missing it. Can't do it. 4,800. Come and see us. Need a little bit more for that. It's got to start with a 5.
Steady, but not away.